Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore brand guidelines in Notion for your design team, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore brand guidelines in Notion for your design team, start by opening your Notion workspace. Navigate to the area where your brand guidelines are stored. If you have an existing page for brand guidelines, select it. If not, create a new page by clicking on New Page in the sidebar. Title the new page Brand Guidelines for easy identification. Once inside the page, begin drafting the essential elements of your brand guidelines. Include sections for your brand's mission and vision. Add a section for your logo usage, detailing any variations. Incorporate specific color palettes by providing hex codes for accuracy. Create a typography section specifying fonts and styles. Consider including imagery guidelines to maintain visual consistency. If your brand has specific tone and messaging guidelines, add a section for that. Ensure each section is clearly labeled for easy navigation. Utilize headings and subheadings to organize the content effectively. Embed relevant images or assets by dragging and dropping them into the page. Link to external resources if necessary for further reference. Use Notion's templates, if available, to expedite the process. Once you have all elements added, review the content for clarity and completeness. Share the page with your design team to gather their input. Make any necessary revisions based on team feedback. After final adjustments, establish permissions to control access. Save the page and encourage team members to refer to it regularly. Highlight the importance of maintaining consistency with updated guidelines. Regularly review and update the brand guidelines as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.